We just got some cabin service. They were bringing around drinks, and I asked for coconut juice, not milk, coconut juice. It's really good. So in this video, we're going to be traveling with Hainan Airlines to Beijing, China. So we're going to take a look at the seats, the entertainment, and the food. So far, so good. Pillows, yep, blankets, and I guess this has like sleepers in it. Yeah. Wow, look at this.
And wake me up.
That's what it says, wake me up. Earplugs to help you sleep. And bam! Toothbrush and some toothpaste.
So far so good, so what do you think?
Well, first impressions were really nice. Like the staff was really nice, they were very helpful and they're polite, courteous. So.
And we had an issue with our seating arrangement, so.
Yeah, we did actually. So they were really helpful. Yeah, they were able to help us out and get us seated together, which is something, you know, we're gonna be on a 14-hour flight. It'd be weird if I was here and Maria was like somewhere way up there. So that was really awesome that they helped us out.
The website is not great, but the service is good, yeah. So
yeah, the service is good. The website's a little wonky, but you know, hey, we're on the plane and we're off. Alright, so yeah, we're in our seats and I'm just checking out like the entertainment. They have quite a few movies and recent ones too. Let me give you a shot of what it looks like. You got games, let me back home. So there's movies, so different like, yeah. The classics, romance and family. Sci-fi fantasy, my favorite genre. And then you get USB, headphone jacks, and if you're using a laptop, you can use that one down there. And you get a set of provided headphones. So far so good, Hainan. Good stuff. So yeah.
I want to sleep already.
Yeah, Maria and I are actually in the last row, so it's just two seats. It's Maria and I, and there's nothing there. I don't know if you guys noticed the window. It's tinted blue, so it simulates like darkness, so it's easier to sleep. And I don't know, it's very comfortable. The seats recline pretty far back, so you get a really good, comfortable sleeping position. And we were just served our menu, so. We just got our menu, so let's take a look at it. Thinking about getting the stir-fried chicken.
I think I want the braised pork.
Yeah, sounds really good, right? So Maria's braised pork was nice and juicy. It was very good. The sides were not bad either. And check out my stir-fried chicken. So these are the noodles that we got for breakfast and they were so good. Every set meal came with bread, fruit, and something sweet. And this is what we got on our return flight. Salad with smoked salmon, some noodles, also very tasty, and Maria got stir-fried pork with veggies. And who doesn't like fried rice for breakfast? Of course, you get complimentary drinks and beer with your meals.
Yay, we made it.
Yay, we made it.
Welcome to Beijing.
Yeah, welcome to Beijing. Good morning!
How was that flight, man?
It was actually a pretty good flight. It was shorter than
Yeah.
the 14 hours that they were saying it was going to be. So it was like around 12 hours and 45 minutes.
45 minutes, yeah, it was pretty short.
What did you like most about it?
Food.
The food? Yeah,
Yes.
the food was really good.
For airline food, it was pretty
yeah.
decent.
So the food was good. The seats were very comfortable. And actually, when you arrive, like when you get to your seat, they give you like this little pack like this.
Yeah, those are awesome.
And it has some pretty cool things in it. Like, for example, well, kind of standard. You get your sleep mask, which I definitely used.
We both did, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's cool because you
I'm
can
gonna
also...
keep using it at home.
So this is like, normally this is what the front, but let's say you want to sleep and you want to sleep more. Bam, reverse it and put, what does it say there? Do not disturb. So they leave you sleeping. You can sleep through the meals. No.
And the windows were tinted or something, right?
Oh yeah,
that
like,
was really nice.
Like instead of that pull down shade thing that you usually see on the older airplanes, this one you could
dim it or something.
yeah, you could dim it to a certain point, and then after I think after a certain hour they wouldn't let you like brighten it up too much, you know, to not disturb other people, or maybe to simulate dark since we were arriving during the evening.
We were actually flying in the direction of the sun, so that would disturb a lot of people, obviously, if you weren't trying to sleep.
Yeah, so
yeah.
Oh, so when we arrived, we went through customs, as it is, you know, customary when you go into a foreign country, and there was some process that we had to do, and it was a breeze, yeah, because everything was kind of like labeled in English, and it was clear, so, you know, no surprises there. Went through customs, it was quick and easy. So I think we got in and out in less than maybe 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And then we had a driver waiting for us outside.
It was so weird. He had his little signs and Maria Ponte and Nabol Paz. So
yeah. That's the other thing. I mean, like, we're unsure of like the train schedules and stuff like that. And sometimes when you're coming to a foreign country, that aspect can be a little bit scary. And it was a service the hotel was providing. It's like, hey, you know, we can send the driver to pick you up. And I was like, you know what? Since we'll
take that, thank you.
Yeah, since we saved so much on the plane ticket, like, hey, you know what? Let's do that. Let's avoid that headache. Yeah. And it was, you know, nice right here. And we got here. The front desk, the person at the front desk, I think her name was Anna, right? You said?
Anna, yeah.
She gave us kind of like a crash course of
Beijing, what to do, what not to do, where to go.
Nice. So guys, that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions on like the airline and, you know, like the services that they provide or how it was in general, please let us know in the comments down below, and we'll try our best to give you all the details. All right.
Until then, we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Time for breakfast.
Time for breakfast. I thought that was guava for some reason.
No, dude, it's pomegranate.
Yeah, I wasn't seeing, because actually you can tell from this that it's pomegranate.